How to log into your Pinterest with username and password. So let's get started. Firstly, open any web browser on your desktop, then simply in the search address bar type down Pinterest. Visit www.pinterest.com in a browser or launch the Pinterest app on a device. Now, once you're in the official website of the Pinterest, enter your credentials. Type in your registered email address or username on username or email field, then enter your password in password field. Then hit the login button to access your Pinterest account. Then use the forgot your password option if you need to reset it. Pinterest allows you to log in using your linked accounts, so you can also log in with Google, Facebook or Apple accounts. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.